Hello everybody, welcome back to Harry Potter, Prisoner of Azkaban. Now previously, we got to know each other's characters a little bit better. Now we finally get to play as Hermione. So, we have to get to class. I believe.
To the third floor.
What he said. It's been a while since we played this, so I'm glad to kind of repeat this. Do it again. Tomorrow, we're gonna finish off Spider-Man Web of
I'm
Shadows.
getting worried about Scabbers.
Hopefully.
He's been acting so strangely since we came to Hogwarts.
Move! Move!
Hello, Hermione.
Well, hello to you too, person I don't remember. Ah, look at this nerd. You can't get through that door, nerd. So this game's not as long as you think, but it is quite a bit. So take your time. If you want to study, go to sleep, eat, listen to it, this is the best time to do it. Get to know each other. I used to watch a lot of cartoons when I was a kid while I played this game, especially the Nickelodeon shows. Drake and Josh was one of them. I know there's a lot of bad rep about it currently, with the past, but I still used to watch the shit out of it while playing this game. It was like a double combo of fun. I like the idea that I think Harry's the only one that can have the map. Yeah, so that's pretty nice. It's kind of a nice touch. Oh, wait. There's two spots here. I knew that.
Hermione, Ron, Harry, would you come here, please?
It's very specific.
I would like you to go in there and bring back the Glacier spellbook.
The guy in the back is like, damn it, that should have been me. He was just skipping the rocks right there. Straight to the point. He didn't even say good morning. He just said, hey, you three, get over here. Do my bidding. I'm lazy as shit. Here's a puzzle. Figure it out. Deuces. Alrighty. Let us progress, Ron. Ronald Weasley. This is actually one of the few favorite levels I have. I love this level. Little pixie bitches are back. Oh. Let's see. If you guys want Chamber Secrets next, let me know. If you want Goblet of Fire next, let me know. I'm gonna play all of them. So the sky's the limit. I don't really care what you guys decide. I'll play them all. I haven't really played the first one, believe it or not. But I've played Chamber Secrets, this game the most, and Goblet of Fire, Half-Blood Prince, Order of the Phoenix, etc., etc.
On my own.
So yeah, let me know what you guys want me to play. But Harry Potter will be a hood classic on this channel, and you better believe that it's gonna be a normal thing. 'Cause I love some Harry Potter games, even if it's by that shitty EA.
Thank goodness for that.
Yeah. I know what to do. You don't, Ronald! Gosh. Oh my god, they're onto me!
Hermione,
Right there.
I did all this myself. Fuck you guys. That's not cool, guys. Auto-aim! Huh. A switch. Push. Ooh. It's not as bad, honestly. We just need to get up here. And Harry's the only one that could do some basic-ass climbing. I did not realize the X button was the... Okay, well, anyways. It's the action button. Turn. What, where's that hitting?
I'm just so cold.
Oh, I see, I see. Well, you should have brought a sweater, now shouldn't you? Womp womp. It's stuck. It's making angry sounds. Arr, arr. Turn to the left. Big jump! Oh, that was close. Turn. Turn one more time. You've done it. All by yourself. You don't have to be angry at me. Calm down, Harry. Well, shit. We lost our friends and we're all alone. That's fine. 10 points to Gryffindor. Type shit. Are they still alive? Oh, they are. Ah, you little shit. I see why. I shouldn't have done it that early. If I would have just done this first, things would have been easier. But no. Oh, fuck me. Okay, well. No! Alrighty, we did it. Yay! A little bit more. I think I did something. Did I do something? Yep, I'm good. Oh, it's the front! We've managed to get all the way back here. Ugh. Hey, guys! Guess who's back? It's me! I'm on your head. Oh my god. That was like too easy, guys. Like, you should have been there. Oh. Fuck, another riddle. Well, guys, let's pack it up. We're gonna get this shit going. Ooh, chest. I imagine there's gonna be some crates.
Things in the floor do anything?
Let's find out.
There's some kind of switch over there.
Yes,
Will that
there
do
is.
anything? That's done something at least. There's some kind of switch over there. Will that do anything?
Did you just yawn?
That's done something
Yo,
at least.
weird ass pulling animation.
Look, there's a switch over there.
What's in the box, Harry? What's in the box? It's a chocolate frog. Did I get the chocolate frog? Hope I did. Oh, wait, do I have to move that box there?
I think we've got to get to that switch.
Yeah, it's fine by me. They're just yawning. Are you guys yawning in all this? Oh, wait, I have an idea. I have an idea. Okay, as long as Harry doesn't do a bitch thing and move, let's have Ron move the box. Where's the... There... Ron, stop doing some weird shit. There we go. I have figured it out.
That's done something at least.
And then we get here. Done! I figured it out! Yeah! Genius! We did it. It wasn't just me, guys. We as a team. We're a team. You and I. All of us. Let's go, guys. Oh, it's a book. Oh. It's been a while since I've done this, so give me a break. One more, one more. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Skills! Stupid book. Reading is for nerds. So... Oh, I see. I was right.
There's something just about here. Whoa! Well, that worked. Ron, what's it like in there? Dark. And painful.
Fucking lizards!
Yes! And it's me!
Shit! Almost choked on my spit. Oh my god, there's a lot of lizards. Creepy ass lizards. Cool looking, but creepy. Pixies. He's always getting bullied, man. I kind of just want to watch this play out for a while. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, okay, they really need my help now. Can't make any jokes. Oh shit. Yeah, fry these pixie bitches. Now, you're the smallest. It's your job now.
I'll see if I can find the Glacier spellbook.
That would be very nice. Thank you. An ice challenge. Christ's sake, man. I couldn't stand this shit in a Pokemon Silver game. Y'all remember that one level in Pokemon Silver with the same ice cube? Yeah, I do too. You don't? Gee, how young are you? God damn. Clearly not old enough to watch this video. Clearly. Oh. Did not know there was a cool camera angle I could just move. That's not what I want. Fuck, I can't even... Oh, there we go. It's so janky to climb up as Hermione. I don't know, it's easier with Harry because it just automatically locks onto things, but with Hermione, you have to, like, give it a second to push the button. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense, trust me, but it's just... That's just what it is. Push! Oh, I see the problem. So now... Quit yawning! Am I really that boring? She's yawning! There, that took care of that. You see those two chests over there that we just passed by? Yeah, we're gonna go get those real quick. Open. Let me in. What's inside this box? Oh, jelly beans that I honestly could have earned anywhere else. Better be a damn wizard card, because I'll be fucking pissed. All that for a bunch of jelly beans. What a waste of time. I feel so disappointed. Drop. Now this should be a wizard card. Give me a wizard card. I demand wizard card. Yes! Wizard card. It doesn't make up for the jelly beans, but, you know, it's still something. Oh, the book. That book belongs to me. I love the sounds when you open the book. It's so satisfying, like it's well-deserved after all the stress I went through. Nope, no coming back now.
Got it! The Glacier Spellbook!
We have to switch our tools. Holy shit! Yeah, you read my mind. Okay. Freeze! I know a guy like that. He would come in handy right now, but unfortunately, he's probably asleep somewhere. Alright, we got out of there. Just in the nick of time. Another wizard card? Really? 2 for 2.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you kindly. Let us escape now. Ooh, token. 10 points to Gryffindor. Oh my god, another puzzle. I'm furious. It's fine. That's what I signed up for anyways. Okay. Let's see. Just keep it reserved because I think it kind of melts as it moves. Go around it. I'm just taking my time. There we are. Push. Somehow I always end up pushing things, whether it's people or buttons. Would you stop yawning in the middle of all this? This is very rude. A third wizard card? Really? Okay, well, you know what? I forgive the jelly beans now. You know what? I take that back. It ain't no damn wizard card. Oh, dear. I bet you Harry and Ron are like, what the fuck happened here? It all turned fire! It was already cold! Now it's all hot, you know? Hey, guys. Drop, bitch.
You're in the way!
Am I in the way? Am I in the way, Harry? Freeze this shit. Okay, freeze on. That was easy. Nice. Come on, guys. I'm sure there's not a boss battle heading our way. And that would be redonkulous. Oh, look. Our way out. Psych. Oh my god. I actually don't remember what we had to do. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, this is just brilliant.
Quick! Take cover!
Oh my god! Ah! It's after me!
Try to put the fire out. Hermione, you're in the way. What's it doing now?
What is it doing?
Hermione!
Oh, I see! I see! Oh, I should have frozen it. Okay, I know what to do now. It has to be broken piece by piece.
Freeze it, Hermione! Oh no! That's really got it angry.
Ooh. Come on, freeze faster! Ah, it worked!
Hermione! Sorry!
Ooh! He not happy, he not happy!
Freeze it, Hermione!
Freeze, bitch! He not happy, he not happy.
Go on! We've nearly done it!
Ooh. He's starting to have red circles now. That's gotta indicate that he's pissed. Clearly. Ooh.
Freeze it, Hermione!
We got one. Oh, shit. What about the other ones? One. Almost got me there. Almost got me there. Nearly died. And now we take our leave. So what'd you guys think of that? Was that a lot of fun? I hope that was a lot of fun, because I had a lot of fun. And we finished it pretty smoothly. No issues, actually. I don't think I had any issues. Last time I had issues, but not this time.
Well done. Harry, Ron, Hermione. An excellent performance. 50 house points for Gryffindor. That is all for today. Class dismissed. Harry?
Can you show me how you made the Dementor back off?
I don't pretend to be an expert at fighting Dementors, Harry, but I'll try and help. But not right now. I have a lot to do, and I chose a very inconvenient time to fall ill. I will get a message to you when I'm feeling better.
Come on, Harry. It's potions next.
Potions? Are we really gonna do potions? Are we actually? Okay, let's, I suppose let's go to the potion class and we'll call it a day. Totally fine. I'm fine with that. And then we can enjoy the rest of the evening. Charms. Move. Fuck nugget. Transfiguration. Don't touch me.
I hate to say this, but we should go to the dungeons.
Do you guys know where the dungeon is? I don't. Are you the dungeon? That's the Great Hall. Fuck! I don't know where the dungeon is. Maybe that's the dungeon down there.
Snape's going to be angry if we're late.
This has got to be the dungeon. Ah! We got it. Looks like a J if you turn it upside down. Oh, never mind. Now it's a giant square. Hey, everybody! What's up? We good.
The Wiggenweld potion will heal most common injuries. The more attentive of you will remember that the most powerful form of the potion
told you we
is
had
prepared with
potions.
only the freshly stripped bark of the Wiggen tree. Mr. Weasley! While you are in my class, you will...
Harry!
Weasley, bring him to the front, now. Mr. Weasley,
I'm coming.
messing about.
I'm coming. Just give me a moment. This game can only
Settle
take so
down,
long.
Mr. Malfoy. Settle down, Mr. Malfoy.
Is he talking shit over there?
Right, Mr. Weasley. If you pay attention, you might actually learn something. Pick up both vials of Wiggenweld potion from the table. To administer the Wiggenweld potion to yourself, stand away from Potter and drink the contents of one of the vials.
And I know what to do. Drink this.
Drink it. Now stand close to Potter
And then...
administer the...
Imagine if I just drank it, like, psych.
Now, administer the potion.
There you go. I got him.
What happened?
I will let Mr. Weasley give you a full explanation, although his incompetence speaks for itself. Thanks to Mr. Weasley's little sideshow, we no longer have time for the rest of the lesson. So, you will now be gathering the ingredients for the antidote to uncommon poisons in your own time, ready for my next lesson. For the next class, therefore, you are to bring fire seeds, billywig stings, chispurple carapaces, and the horn of a graphorn.
All right.
Class dismissed.
I can do that.
Thanks a lot, Weasley.
The fuck did I do? What did he do?
I'm really sorry. Don't worry. Let's go outside.
Well, I'm exhausted.
Yeah, me too. I think we should turn in.
Yes. But maybe we should start looking for those potion ingredients for Professor Snape's next potions class. What do you think, Harry? Harry?
You say something? Alright, let's see. I'm gonna call it here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in part 3, I will look forward to that, making that as soon as possible. But thank you very much for watching. I'm going to head off tonight.